Hey guys, welcome back for your daily crypto forecast. I'm a little bit sick today, so excuse me for my voice. But anyways, let's just check out these charts. Today we're gonna be doing Bitcoin, BTC as usual, and Ethereum. Wow, what a pump for Ethereum, huh? Anyways, before I start, let me give a huge shout out to Mark the Mazel. If you don't know him, you really need to follow him. He's been into Bitcoin since 2012. He's got videos on his YouTube channel from 5 years ago talking about Bitcoin. He's been calling every cycle. He is also a big fan of Bitcoin Cash, just like myself. The other day he asked me for a Bitcoin Cash address to send me a donation. I don't usually ask for donations, but I'm gonna take this as a sponsorship for my content, for this week's content. If you follow my channel, you probably know about Mark already, but if you are new around here or new on crypto, you really need to follow this guy. He's really good when it comes to understanding the general direction of the markets and these big cycles that have been playing out in Bitcoin for such a long time now. So big thanks, Mark, for contributing to my channel. And yeah, with this said, let's just check out these charts. Bitcoin BTC 1 week candles here. The important thing about this chart, guys, this is happening all across every chart, every coin. We are of course bouncing because we were very oversold, and Bitcoin specifically is having a good bounce here on the 200 week moving average. But now we are approaching some serious resistance levels here, especially this downtrend resistance, which is going to be at around the same level with the 20-week moving average. Now we still have some room to go up, as you can see here. I mean, we could start rounding already. We could start soon doing a round the top here, which is a bearish pattern. But if we break through this uptrend resistance, we're gonna have very soon the 20-week moving average and this downtrend resistance that's been dictating the bear market for a year now. So just like I said, when Bitcoin was falling from 6,000 to 3,000, if you remember, I said this several times on YouTube, on Twitter. I said when it was at around $3,000, I said I doubt very much Bitcoin is going to break through the $3,000 level, having in consideration that right at that level we have the 200-week moving average and we have the 50-month moving average, and we have the strong resistance from this previous high here from 2017. So that was triple major support. So obviously it was going to bounce. It was very unlikely it would break down, through it that easily. The same thing is going to happen now. I don't think this is going to break up that easily, having in consideration we have this major downtrend line plus the 20-week moving average. This is major resistance. It's double major resistance, so I doubt it'll break through it. I think it'll get rejected heavily if it makes it to that level. With this said, we still have some room to get there. I think it's very likely we will actually touch the 20-week moving average and this downtrend line. What I'm not so sure is if we will go straight to it, like going up vertically, or we will start to go sideways from here, and by the time we the price catches up and it touches this line and the 20-week moving average get rejected. But I don't know what level will this will be, because if it goes vertical, we can make it up to above 5,000 easily. But if it starts going sideways, by the time we touch this line, we might be only at 4,600. So it all depends how we get there. But I expect this line and the 20-week moving average to reject the price heavily. You can see this on the total market cap. So you can see here the same situation. I mean, this dropped very heavily and now it's bouncing, but I mean, there's room to go up, but soon we will eventually we will probably touch this downtrend resistance and the 20-week moving average, and I would expect heavy rejection from there. So that's not advice to sell or to hold or to anything. Just, act accordingly to this possibility. Bitcoin 4-hour candles. So we are right at the target. I have been talking about this target also for weeks now, I think, since this descending wedge was forming and it broke. So we hit the target, however, we didn't reject that much, and we came to bounce on moving averages as usual, and we're pushing up again. So these signals, as I said several times, it signals continuation. This is when we hit target. When we hit target, if it starts, rejecting heavily, then okay, maybe we're gonna have a trend reversal. This is now gonna go down, and then we'll see. But when it just touches a target and it stays there, going sideways and pushing, like trying to break the line of the target in the upside, then it means it's forming a continuation pattern, and it will usually break in the upside. However, as I said, for the bigger time frame, if this break in the upside, have into consideration all these resistance lines that we have here. This is the uptrend line that's been dictating the whole bull market for years, and it was broken in the downside recently. So this is going to be strong resistance, and if this one breaks in the upside, then definitely pay attention to the one we have up here, which is the downtrend resistance that's been dictating the whole bear market. Ethereum weekly. So this is Ethereum is having a good time here with this bounce. I believe there's been some major upgrade or something like that going on with Ethereum. I'm not 100% sure because I don't follow Ethereum that closely, the developments. I only look at price. But I believe someone, one of the members, said something on the premium groups that there was, they were releasing a big upgrade or something like that. I could be wrong, but I think part of this bounce comes from that. Again, I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that one. When it comes to technical analysis only, we're having a big oversold bounce here. However, you can kind of see here the downtrend resistance that I have been showing for Bitcoin, showing for the total market cap for all coins. So, we're approaching that level. We still have room to go up, but watch for this line. Draw this line in your own chart and watch it, because that's going to be a strong resistance if it gets there. And again, it might get there. It might get there vertically from here, which means it'll go higher, but it could also start going sideways and just touch that line going sideways, and in that case we wouldn't make it that high. But in either case, watch for that level. 4 hour candles for the short term for Ethereum. So I reviewed this chart last week. Now it's about to touch resistance, so we will see. It might go sideways for a little bit more, and then when it touches support again, it'll bounce again. So guys, for the short term trading, follow the trend, right? You buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, 121, 128, and then 140. So long as the trend continues up, you can continue to trade continuation for the very short term, but these are your most immediate levels. And we have been actually touching all these levels and rejecting. So at 122 was this level, then 128, it just went through it like nothing, but then it used the level as a support, and the 140 level got rejected as well. So that's what I always say, guys. So long as it's going up, you can buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, and you would have done very well in this trend. Right now we're just blasting through it in the upside. So this trend broke, and it didn't break in the downside, it broke in the upside. So the volume is impressive. However, guys, it's getting extended. If you have been taking profits on the targets that I was pointing out on my previous video, and you've been trading, buying support and selling resistance, start to, be careful now, because it's getting a little bit extended. However, it still looks strong. So we still have room, as I said, to go and make it all the way to the main downtrend resistance line. So as long as it's going up, you can wait for the retracement and you buy the dip again. If it'll probably use either this uptrend line here from this channel. This could be support, and if it breaks probably previous resistance, it'll become support now, which is at 140. So if it makes it there, you can buy the dip, use a stop loss, of course, because this could reverse anytime now, but you can continue to buy the dip, sell resistance, buy the dip, sell resistance, and so on. And as I have been saying, the main level to watch is this diagonal line. It's going to be very strong resistance. The 20-week moving average is at around the same level, so it's going to be double strong resistance. I doubt it's going to break through it that easily. So watch for that level. When will What will be the price of that level to take profit? I don't know, guys. It all depends how long it takes to get there. If we go vertical up, we will make it higher. If we start to go sideways, we will make it lower. But just draw these lines on your own chart and monitor these levels because they are major levels. That's all that I got for you today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, tomorrow is the last day for this offer for the 50% discount on all the membership plans. It's ridiculous cheap, so if you've been thinking of joining the premium membership, do it before this offer finishes tomorrow on Christmas Day. And yeah, I will see you here tomorrow on Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas. I'll say it tomorrow again, but yeah, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all tomorrow right here. Bye.